This one idea could completely change your financial future. Saving and investing are not the same thing, and confusing the two is a big reason why so many people never build real wealth. The truth is, if you're only saving, you might actually be getting poorer without even realizing it. Let me show you the real difference and the simple rule that makes managing your money effortless. Think of saving as your cellar. It's for protection and short-term needs. This is where you keep your emergency fund, the down payment for a car you plan to buy in a few years, or the cash for next summer's big trip. It needs to be safe, easy to access, and secure. But here's the hidden problem: inflation. Even a high-yield savings account often just keeps pace with rising prices. Savings is defense. It prevents you from losing money, but it doesn't grow your wealth. Now think of investing as your orchard. This is all about long-term growth for goals that are 5 or more years away. The magic here is compounding. Your money starts making money, and then that new money starts making even more. Yes, storms will come, that's market volatility, but a well-diversified orchard has historically always recovered and grown larger over time. Remember, it's about time in the market, not timing the market. So, how do you decide where to put your money? Just follow the Gardener's Rulebook, which I call the 5-year rule. For every single dollar you have, ask yourself, will I need this money within the next 5 years? If the answer is yes, it goes in the cellar, your savings account, to be preserved. If the answer is no, it goes into the orchard, your investments to grow. Your emergency fund? Cellar. Saving for a wedding next year? Cellar. But retirement, your kids' college fund, or achieving financial independence? That's all orchard territory. Ready to plant your first seeds? It's easier than you think. Open a brokerage account and set up automatic investments into a low-cost index fund or ETF, like one that tracks the S&P 500. With one simple move, you instantly own a tiny piece of hundreds of top companies. That's built-in diversification. The key is to start, even if it's small, and contribute regularly. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. The biggest mistake is mixing these strategies. Don't invest money you'll need soon, and don't let your long-term money sit in cash expecting it to grow. Use the 5-year rule to place every dollar with purpose. So it's that simple. Build your cellar for safety. Grow your orchard for wealth. Tell me in the comments, which bucket does your next dollar belong to? And subscribe for more tips on how to grow your financial orchard.